Now, with such a wide variety of options, signing up for a new home internet provider can seem like a daunting task. You can watch as many in-depth reviews on each individual provider or plan as you want, but it feels like you really won't know how it works until you take the leap of faith and sign up. Well, thankfully, there is a better way to find out how a new internet provider will work for you. Customer reviews and testimonials. Listening to others' experiences, both good and bad, will give you a much clearer picture of how a specific internet service provider will work in your unique situation. So today, we wanted to show you 3 unique customer reviews on HughesNet, one of the most popular satellite internet providers in the United States. HughesNet fares very well in customer reviews. It was named Best Satellite Internet Service Provider of 2021-2022 by U.S. News and World Report. So, here are some real customer reviews that may give you some insights into whether HughesNet can work for you.
I live in a rural area where HughesNet is available, and I've wanted to try HughesNet for quite a while. But once you're locked in with those other guys, you're stuck until your contract's up. I'm so glad we got our satellite with HughesNet. It's got lightning fast speeds, and I seriously can't believe how fast it is. And the price? Actually better than the competition. I can't say enough good things about my service, and I hope to get others using HughesNet as well. Thanks again for making my shopping experience a great one.
Our existing cable internet was increasing every month, so we found that an independent internet and streaming service like HughesNet was much more practical. The sales rep at Hughes was very nice, offered us free extras that we weren't aware of, and the installer knew what he was doing, provided a professional installation, and explained all the technical information to our understanding.
HughesNet is a great way to get internet in a rural area. My technician really explained the entire process from what he was actually doing during installation all the way to how HughesNet really works. He was also super neat. All of the cables that he had out, he cleaned up. He even dug a trench so that you couldn't see any of the cables near my house. He was super courteous, and it really was a job well done.
HughesNet has earned a reputation of going the extra mile for their customers, whether it's reminding them of extra deals, making sure they understand exactly what's going on and what they're paying for, or fixing any potential issues quickly and easily. They make sure their customers are always in the know, which is why so many stay with the service for so many years. If you're interested in making the switch to HughesNet, you can call them today at 1-833-252-5335. You can also always look up more customer reviews in the link below. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.